All right, let's dive into a simple way to take back control. Not of your whole year, just your day.
You know that feeling? You're just reacting all day, never really getting ahead of the chaos?
Yeah, if that sounds familiar, you're not alone, but there's a simple way to flip the script.
Today, we're going to build what's called a power day, a day where you feel in control.
And no, this isn't some massive life overhaul. It's about small, consistent, daily actions.
It all starts with just 15 minutes. That's it, a tiny, focused chunk of your day.
But when you take that small effort and multiply it by every single day, well, something incredible happens.
The result is transformative. You literally become a different, more confident person.
So here's the key. You got to start your day with purpose, not with a million worries.
So instead of, how will I survive today? Just ask, what's one thing I can move forward?
And that right there is alignment. Your daily actions are actually helping your big goals. Okay, next up, you have to protect your energy. Things like mindless scrolling, total power drains.
So just ask yourself this one simple question all day. It'll keep your focus razor sharp.
Look, a power day isn't about being perfect. It's about gently getting back on track.
And your self-talk? It's absolutely critical. You need a coach in your head, not a bully. Because that positive voice is what gives you the real strength and control to keep going.
It's that shift, from feeling stuck to knowing you can actually make a change.
This could be as simple as sending that one scary email or sharing an idea.
When you do that, you're basically being your own best friend. Your future self will thank you.
So end your day not with mindless scrolling, but with a quick, honest check-in. This turns your day into a little teacher, not some big, scary judge. You just learn. See, the goal isn't new year, new me. It's all about small moves, same direction, every day.
And relentless doesn't mean aggressive. It just means a quiet, steady consistency that never quits.
Think of each power day like watering a seed. It slowly unlocks your true, hidden potential.
So, my question for you is, what's your one brave move for today? What's your start?